Okay, let's talk about the Julep Eyeshadow 101 Creme to Powder Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick. This is the Champagne Shimmer color, and I have been using this stuff for years. It goes on like butter. Check it out. It goes on so smooth and creamy. My stick is years old. I probably shouldn't be using it at this point officially, but it has lasted so beautifully and I can still use it. I love that it has this fat, smudgy sponge actually as part of the stick, so you don't have to have anything separate with you. Smudge it down as you want. This is perfect to just toss in your purse and take with you on the go, or just keep it in your car. Once it is on and set, water will not wash this off. Go swimming, go diving, run around in the rain, do what you need. It's not going anywhere.